NR. Next is state true or false. For and there are 5 sub questions. For a natural numbers a and b, if a divides b square, then a divides b. Means what it means to say, b square upon a, there is no remainder. It means it's directly divisible. So b into b upon a. Okay. Means it will definitely divide b also. Okay, let's see. 9 square upon 27. So 9 into 9 is 27. So it does it divide 9? Means does 27 divide 9? No. So here division means making smaller parts, right? So can 27 make smaller parts out of 9? No. That's why it is false. Otherwise somebody might have the logic 9 ones are 9 threes are, and 1 upon 3 is possible. So that's not division, that's a fraction. A division means making smaller parts of the numerator by the denominator, right? In our bookish studies, we forget the basics and we just go on learning and getting the certificates, getting the degrees, and we forget the basics. Next, for any natural number n, we have root of n minus 1 plus root of n plus 1 as irrational. So let's try this. Any natural number n, let's say 1, root of 1 minus 1 plus root of 1 plus 1 equals to irrational. Let's say 0 plus this, okay, root 2, okay. For 2, root of 2 minus 1 plus root of 2 plus 1. So 1 plus root 3, that is all again irrational. Why irrational? Irrational means any number where you cannot remove the root sign, okay, that is irrational. So do you know the difference between surds and irrational? See here, surds mean this root 2 is a surd as well as irrational, but 1 plus root 3 is a irrational. Surd means any number whose root cannot be removed, and irrational means that number itself. It can be that also, surd also, or there can be a plus sign and a natural number also over the natural or whole number also, or any integer also. Okay. So for 3 also same logic. So the answer is true because all are irrational then. That's why this is true. Next is product of a distinct prime numbers. Product of distinct prime numbers is always equal to the LCM. Okay. Product of distinct prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers means what? It starts from 2, right? 2, 3, then 5, 7, which can't be divided further. So product of these 2 into 3 is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Similarly 7, 11, 77. LCM of 7, 11, 77. So this is true. Product of distinct prime numbers is always equal to the LCM. Next, for any natural number n, 6 raised to n never ends with 0. Now you will have to check this. 6 raised to 1, 6, square 36, cube 216, 4 raised to 1 to 96. So it will never end with 0. That's true. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them.